non-stop 10-minute loop. Keep it moving, keep it moving. 14 different stations to work through. Do not stop moving. You got to keep the ball rolling. You'll get everything clogged up. It's one steady chain. Quicker feet on the ladder. Quicker feet. Glide through. Keep it moving. After the tire goes the rings. Then the cones. Then the hurdles. Then the agility poles inside the cage. Wrong direction. You need to skip around, jump around. You need to skip a spot, skip a spot. You're not going to stand around waiting. You need to wait. You're staying active in place while you're waiting for that spot. You're not going to stand around. It's a non-stop 10-minute loop. We are not stop moving. We do not stop moving for 10 minutes. You better do that combo again. You better do that combo again. That was not punches or kicks or knees or anything. That was waste. Real strikes. Bullshit. Keep the ball rolling. Every striking round, it's only one combo. You need to attack it hard. Don't just go through the motions. Real strikes. Stay down while you're down there. Smash the dummy. Over on the wrong side. Should be over, crawl under. You're not just standing in place looking at someone. You're doing something if you're waiting or you're skipping to another station. Don't screw up the direction. Everything needs to be in a specific direction to keep the chain moving. Cannot walk from spot to spot. You need to fly. You're not standing around in place waiting. Non-stop course, straight through. 6 minutes to go. This is your burnout.